Welcome to Byte-Sized Learning. Today I'll show you how to make children storybook using Canva.com. So first you're going to go to apps, and then this is using the web browser, not the app. And then you're going to type childbook.ai, and then there's going to be already like storybook template to choose from. Just choose any one of them, and then here you have all the chapters which you can actually edit. So you're going to add this to your storybook. You can fit the image to, and also like rewrite the chapters. Okay, that's it. Bye.